What is Fittonia frankie? Fittonia frankie is a variety of the Fittonia genus, which is native to the tropical rainforests of South America. This plant is renowned for its distinctive leaves, which are dark green with vivid pink or red veining. The leaves are small and delicate, making the plant an excellent choice for terrariums or as a decorative houseplant. Fittonia frankie prefers humid environments and indirect light, mimicking its natural habitat. How to care for Fittonia frankie? Caring for Fittonia frankie requires attention to detail. Here are some essential tips. Light and temperature. Fittonia frankie thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little light can cause them to lose their vibrant color. I keep my plant near a north-facing window, which provides the perfect amount of light. Temperature-wise, it prefers a range of 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. It's crucial to avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Watering. This plant loves moisture, but not soggy soil. I water my Fittonia frankie when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering causes the leaves to wilt. Using a well-draining potting mix helps maintain the right balance. Humidity. Fittonia frankie thrives in high humidity. I mist my plant regularly and keep it in a room with a humidifier. Alternatively, placing the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water can also boost humidity levels. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, I feed my Fittonia frankie with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every month. This encourages healthy growth and vibrant foliage. How to propagate Fittonia frankie? Propagating Fittonia frankie is a rewarding process. Here's how I do it. Select healthy stems. Choose healthy stems with at least one node and a few leaves. Cut the stem. Using a sharp, clean pair of scissors, cut the stem just below a node. Prepare the cutting. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few at the top. Plant the cutting. Place the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix. You can also propagate it in water first until roots develop and then transfer it to soil. Provide humidity. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain high humidity. Ensure the cutting gets indirect light and keep the soil moist. Within a few weeks, the cutting will develop roots and new growth will appear. What to plant with Fittonia frankie? Fittonia frankie pairs well with other tropical plants that thrive in similar conditions. Some great companions include Peperomia. These plants have similar light and humidity needs. Ferns. They love humidity and indirect light, making them ideal partners. Calathea. Another humidity-loving plant that complements the aesthetic of Fittonia frankie. Common problems with Fittonia frankie? Fittonia frankie can be prone to certain issues. Wilting, often due to underwatering or low humidity. Yellow leaves, typically a sign of overwatering. Pests, watch out for spider mites and aphids. Regularly check the leaves and treat infestations promptly. Why choose Fittonia frankie? Choosing Fittonia frankie adds a touch of exotic beauty to your indoor garden. Its vibrant leaves and manageable size make it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Plus, it's an excellent plant for terrariums and can brighten up any room with its colorful foliage. In conclusion, Fittonia frankie is a delightful plant that, with proper care, can thrive and bring joy to any plant enthusiast. Whether you're looking to propagate new plants or find the perfect companions for your Fittonia frankie, this guide should help you on your plant journey. Happy gardening!